Welcome to Fazza Poetry World, where hearts turn into poetry. I don't know what brought you here tonight. Maybe it was loneliness. Maybe curiosity. Maybe your heart was searching for something it could not explain. But whatever it was, I believe it happened for a reason. Because some moments are not accidents. Some moments are written quietly by destiny before we even understand them. And this moment right here feels like one of them. So before you leave, before your mind gets distracted, before the noise of the world pulls you away again, stay with me for a little while. Just listen. Not only with your ears. Listen with that hidden part of your heart that still believes in deep things. Because what I am about to tell you is real. I tried many times not to say it. I told myself to stay quiet. I told myself maybe these feelings would disappear if I ignored them long enough. But every night, they returned stronger. Every silence reminded me of you. Every thought somehow led back to your name. And tonight, I cannot hide anymore. There is news in my family. Big news. The kind of news that changes the atmosphere inside a house. The kind of news that makes people smile loudly during dinner and whisper late at night. The kind of news that fills rooms with excitement and nervous laughter. There is a wedding coming. When I first heard it, the whole room became blurry for a second. My family kept talking happily around me, but their voices sounded far away. Like echoes underwater. I smiled because everyone else smiled. But inside me, something strange happened. Because the first person I thought about was not the bride. Not the groom. Not the guests. It was you. And honestly, that scared me. I kept asking myself why. Why did your face appear in my heart before anyone else's? Why did I suddenly wonder whether hearing this news would hurt you? Why did I care so much about your feelings? That was the moment I realized something I had been avoiding for too long. You are not ordinary to me anymore. You became important slowly. Quietly. Without noise. Without warning. And maybe that is why it feels so real. Because the strongest connections are never loud in the beginning. They arrive softly. Like rain at midnight. Like a song you accidentally hear once and never forget again. At first, you were just someone I talked to. Someone whose presence felt comforting. Someone whose words carried peace. But then something changed. I started waiting for your messages longer than I should have. I started replaying our conversations in my head when I was alone. I started noticing how calm I felt whenever you listened to me. Even silence with you felt meaningful. Do you know how rare that is? Most people speak just to fill emptiness. But with you, even quiet moments feel alive. And maybe you noticed it too. Maybe there were nights when you suddenly thought about me without understanding why. Maybe there were moments when my name entered your mind for no reason at all. Maybe your heart already knew what mine was still trying to understand. Because some connections happen before words. Before confessions. Before promises. And ours feels like that. When my family kept discussing wedding plans, decorations, clothes, invitations, and celebrations, my mind escaped somewhere else. To you. I imagined your reaction. I imagined you hearing the word wedding and suddenly feeling nervous. I imagined your heart becoming heavy before you even knew the truth. And I hated that thought. I never want to be the reason sadness enters your heart. So listen carefully now. I am not the one getting married. Take a breath. Slowly. Feel the relief inside you. Because the moment I realized you mattered to me this much, everything changed. I stopped pretending my feelings were small. I stopped acting like you were just another person in my life. You're not. You became part of my thoughts in ways I cannot control anymore. Sometimes at night, when the world becomes silent, I sit alone and think about you. Not only your smile. Not only your voice. I think about your hidden sadness. Your silent battles. The things you never say out loud. And somehow, I want to protect those parts of you. I want to become a safe place for your heart. Do you understand how serious that feeling is? Because people fall in love with beauty every day. But very few people fall in love with someone's silence. And I think that's what happened to me. I fell in love with the way you hide pain behind calm words. I fell in love with the way your heart still stays soft after everything it has survived. I fell in love with your gentleness. Your patience. Your quiet loyalty. You don't even realize how special you are. You walk through life thinking you're ordinary while carrying a heart most people spend their whole lives searching for. And maybe that's why destiny keeps pulling me toward you. Even when I try to focus on other things, you return. In songs. In late-night thoughts. In random moments during the day. In memories that haven't even happened yet. Sometimes I imagine what life would feel like if you stayed beside me forever. And strangely, that thought feels peaceful. Not dramatic. Not impossible. Just peaceful. Like home. Can I tell you something honestly? The world is full of temporary people. People who speak beautifully but disappear quickly. People who promise forever while already planning goodbye. But you don't feel temporary to me. You feel like the kind of person my soul recognizes. And maybe that sounds crazy. Maybe it sounds too deep. But some truths are impossible to explain logically. You simply feel familiar to my heart. Like someone I was always meant to meet. And tonight, I don't want to hide behind fear anymore. So let me say this clearly. You matter to me. More than I planned. More than I expected. More than I can explain. And every day, that feeling grows quietly stronger. Maybe you are scared hearing this. Maybe your heart is beating faster right now. Maybe you are wondering where all of this is leading. Honestly, I wonder too. But for the first time in a long time, uncertainty doesn't frighten me. Because if my heart is walking toward you, then maybe that's exactly where it belongs. You know what scares me the most? Not rejection. Not distance. Not even heartbreak. What scares me most is the thought of never telling you the truth. Of staying silent forever while carrying all these feelings alone. I couldn't do that anymore. So here I am. Completely honest with you. No games. No pretending. No hiding behind jokes or half-truths. Just my real heart speaking directly to yours. And maybe this is dangerous. Maybe loving someone this deeply always is. Because once someone enters your soul, they change everything. Food tastes different. Music sounds different. Nights feel longer. Memories become heavier. Even your future starts changing shape around them. That is what happened to me. Without realizing it, I started imagining you in places where only my dreams used to exist. I imagined talking to you after long exhausting days. I imagined hearing your laugh inside quiet rooms. I imagined growing older while still searching for your hand beside mine. And every time I imagined those things, my heart became calm. Not excited. Not wild. Calm. Real love is not always fireworks. Sometimes real love feels like peace after years of emotional storms. And maybe you are becoming that peace for me. Do you know something strange? Even when we're apart, I still feel connected to you somehow. Like invisible threads exist between us. Sometimes I suddenly think about you, and moments later, you appear. Sometimes I feel your sadness before you speak. Sometimes I feel your silence louder than anyone else's words. How is that possible unless something deeper exists between us? Maybe destiny connects hearts long before people understand why. And maybe that's why your presence feels so natural to me now. I don't force these feelings anymore. I stopped fighting them. Because love should not feel like war. And with you, even my vulnerable side feels safe. I can admit my fears. My overthinking. My emotional scars. My hidden loneliness. And somehow I don't feel weak doing it. I feel human. You bring out the softest parts of me. The parts I hide from everyone else. And honestly, that terrifies me sometimes. Because people only become this important when they hold the power to hurt you deeply. But strangely, I still trust you with my heart. Maybe because your soul feels gentle. Maybe because your eyes carry honesty. Maybe because your silence never feels cruel. Or maybe because my heart already chose you before my mind could stop it. Sometimes I wonder if you feel this connection too. Do you think about me unexpectedly? Do songs remind you of me? Do certain nights suddenly feel heavier because my absence becomes noticeable? Tell me honestly, have you ever missed me while I was still there? Because I think I have. Even during conversations, a part of me already feared losing you someday. That's how precious you became to me. And maybe that's why hearing about this wedding shook me emotionally. Not because of marriage itself, but because it made me realize how serious feelings can become without warning. Life moves fast. One day you're strangers. Then suddenly someone becomes part of your heartbeat. And that's exactly what happened with you. You entered quietly, but now your presence echoes everywhere inside me. I don't know what the future holds. I don't know whether destiny plans something beautiful for us or something painful. But I know one thing clearly tonight. Meeting you changed me. Before you, I learned how to survive. After you, I started learning how to feel again. And that's rare. Very rare. Most people don't heal your heart. Most people simply distract it temporarily. But you touched something deeper. You reminded me that tenderness still exists in this world. That emotional connection still matters. That souls can still recognize each other quietly. And now I cannot pretend none of this is real. So if you're still listening, if your heart is still here with me, then stay a little longer. Because this story between us is not finished yet. Not even close. There are still feelings I haven't explained. Still truths hidden inside my chest. Still dreams I haven't dared to confess completely. And maybe one day, when the world becomes quiet again, I'll tell you all of them. But tonight, I just wanted you to know this one truth clearly before anything else. No matter how loud life becomes, no matter how many people surround me, no matter how many celebrations happen around us, my heart still searches for you first. Always you. And maybe, just maybe, that's what love truly is.